Hey guys, so it's kind of a sad day here, but I am getting ready to sell my, see if it'll focus on it, it really won't, I'm using a gimbal, my Crown Victoria. I think it's time. I love this vehicle, but it didn't have everything that I need, and it's a 2004, so it's getting old. Let me just sit inside the vehicle here, kind of reminisce. It's getting old, and I think it's just time. I'm gonna have to strip all the equipment and stuff out of it here, in the rain, of course. What a crappy day to do this, but you gotta do it when you gotta do it, and say goodbye to it. So I'll try to bring you guys along if I remember to. If not, I'm sorry. This vehicle has been through a lot with me, and if you've watched any of my other videos, you've seen. So yeah, but it's just a car. That's the thing, when I die, I can't take this car to heaven with me, and this car will only last so long. I've put a lot of money into it since I bought it. I bought it for a pretty decent rate, but then I've probably put that price back into it, fixing it. I'm gonna take you along with me. So come on. So I'm now driving to meet the guy to sell my vehicle. Hopefully I have enough fuel to get there. But yeah, this is exciting and saddening all at the same time. Because I don't want to get rid of this car. But at the same time, I think it's time. And gas prices are going up. And anybody that owns a Crown Vic knows that you pretty much only get 17 miles to the gallon. And it's a pretty big tank. So, and it's a V8, so, you get what you get with it. I love this car. There it goes.